After 37 years of being a teacher, I am off to my retirement to live a life na I've known for 2 decades. Magkahalong saya at lungkot ang nararamdaman ko. Saya because I can finally do the things I put on hold and just enjoy my life. Lungkot kasi I'll miss this life. Yung ability to share my stories to my students, hoping it would inspire them. Yung proud moment ng isang teacher of seeing them graduate. I know I'll miss it. So they threw a retirement party for me. Pero instead na matuwa, instead na maging masaya, lalo akong nalungkot. Aside from my current students kasi, they tried inviting the old ones. Mga estudyanteng alam nilang naging mahalaga sa akin. To their surprise, none of them remembered me. And worse, none of them made it. It was indeed a nightmare came true for me. Imagine, I thought I was inspiring them. I thought I am becoming an example for them. But the sad part is, as soon as they leave, they'll start forgetting about you. Ako si Sammy, and my worst nightmare came true. Napasama ko sa Byaheng Forgotten. My love, aside sa mga music idols na meron tayo, sa mga celebrities na hinahangaan natin, sa mga influencers na tinitingala natin, aside from our own parents and siblings or kahit sinong kamag-anak, isa pa sa mga taong nagbibigay sa atin ng inspirasyon to do better in life, to do better sa simula pa lang ng pagpasok sa eskwelahan, ay ang ating mga guro. They encourage us to give it our best, to be the best that we can be. They try and help us be honed para prepared tayo as we go out sa 4 corners of our classroom, metaphorically. They did not ask for anything in return. Sa totoo lang, wala naman din silang makukuha kung graduate tayo. Hindi naman sila as if makakuha ng percentage ng kikitain natin. Hindi din naman sila makakuha ng kahit anong porsyento kung maganda-ganda yung naging estado natin sa buhay. The least we can do is remember them. Recognize their contribution in our lives. No matter how hard yung subject nila sa school, we owe it to them na kahit papaano maalala natin sila. So, nasasad ako for Sammy. I know I cannot enumerate all the teachers and professors na dumaan sa buhay ko. They are just too many. But I try my best to recall kung ano yung naging parte nila sa buhay ko kapag dumadaan sila sa newsfeed ko. I make it to a point na i-heart ko yun, kakamustahin ko sila kapag meron silang mga achievements in life, kahit hindi na nila ako maalala sa dami-dami ng estudyanteng dumaan sa buhay nila. I make it to a point na mag-happy birthday sir ako, congratulations ma'am, I'm happy for you sir, mga ganon. Because I want them to know that their contribution in my life will always be and forever will be appreciated. So sana kayo din, my love, sa maikling panahon na napagsamahan nyo ng mga teachers, professors na dumaan sa buhay ninyo, remember na dun sa klase na yon, a portion of their lives, shinare nila sa atin. A portion of their dream, a portion of their inspiring stories, they shared it with us. A moment of their lives, shinare nila yon sa atin. Pinagtuunan nila tayo ng pansin. They were patient, they were understanding, they were considerate. Noong mga panahong we don't know any better. Noong mga panahong mangmang pa tayo to most of the things in life. They were the ones na mga matyaga na nagbigay sa atin ng direksyon. Mga matsatsagang nag-lead us to a better path. No matter how, sabihin na natin, terror, quote-unquote, that professor is. That professor taught you discipline. Diba? That professor taught you the importance of preparedness, of being in the moment, of being presentable, of being on time, of studying. Diba? May mga moments na hindi natin gusto yung mga ways of teaching, yung mga sabihin na natin methods na ginagamit nila in order for us to learn. But the thing is, their only goal is not to be liked, but for you to learn. So however they see fit na mangyayari yun, they will do it. Kasi that's their job. And that's their passion for us to learn. So again, of all the things, of all the preparations na ginagawa nila na hindi naman para sa kanila but for us, the least we can do for them is remember them. Especially sa ganitong milestone ng buhay nila, that they are about to leave the life they have known for more than 2 decades, 37 years of service sa education. Ikaw na estudyante, gaano kalaki yung naging ulo mo nung naging professional ka for you not to remember the people who helped you get there. Uulitin natin yung kasabihan noon, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makararating sa paroroonan. Kahit gaano pa kataas yung nilipad mo, my love, always remember the people who helped you get there. Kasi kung hindi, bilog ang mundo. Ngayon nasa taas ka, pag nasa baba ka, wala nang makakilala sa'yo. Klaro? Klaro. As for you, Sammy, huwag kang mag-alala. Ito mga new batch of people na nakasama mo sa buhay mo, ito mga new batch of people na hindi mo man na-recognize siguro dahil sa dami-dami na din ng mga estudyanteng dumaan sa buhay mo as key students in your eyes. They do remember you. They do thank you in their own certain ways. They do appreciate you and gratify all your contributions sa kanila, sa buhay nila, to education itself. At kaming hindi mo naging estudyante ever, we do salute you for your service. Now go ahead and enjoy your life. Tandaan mo, you'll never be forgotten. Your words, your stories, your teachings will always be part of the students you've touched for so many years na nagsilbi ka bilang teacher. Do not let a few or a handful of students define your whole career as a teacher. Do not let them define your contribution. Again, we salute you. And all of the people and all of the students na naging estudyante mo will remember how great you are as their mentor. Klaro? Klaro.